Photoshoot makeup is completely different from the makeup that we do in our day-to-day lives, because photoshoot makeup has to be done on the heavier side and extra products have to be applied so that they show up on the camera. Do you see the makeup that I've done right now? It looks pretty normal on the camera, but if you see it in real life, it will look really heavy, and that's what makes the difference. And I am going to teach you how to do this type of makeup so that your photographs turn out to be really amazing. Let's begin. Firstly, you have to apply a primer. I am using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. Primer allows your makeup to stay on for a very long time, and it also makes the pores less visible on the skin. So definitely try using a primer when going on photo shoots. The next step is to apply a foundation. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. Dot it all over your face. And now I am going to blend it with a beauty blender. The next step is to use a concealer, because photo shoots are all about flawless skin. So I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10. I am going to dot it around my eyes. Generally people use it in V shape, but I do not like to use too much product, so I'm gonna use very little. I'm gonna also use it on my eyes, and I'm gonna apply it on spots where I need some concealing. And now blend it. If you do not use a compact powder, you are doing the biggest blunder, because photo shoots last so long, your eyes crease, your makeup starts melting, so you really need a compact powder to set in all your makeup, especially your under eyes, and also to prevent any oil coming from the T-zone. One of the most important steps is to do contouring, because in photo shoot you want your face to have some shadow, and I would be using the My Glam Chisel It 3-in-1 palette, and I would be using this contour shade to contour my cheeks. Now I will be contouring my nose, because it is the ultimate weapon to slim down your nose. You can see the two lines that I've created. I generally blend it with my fingers because it blends out very naturally. I hope that you can see it really did slim down my nose. The next step is to apply blush. Generally, I use very heavy blushes on the photo shoot makeup because it shows up on the camera. If you very lightly apply blush on your cheeks like a daily makeup routine, it will not show up in the camera at all. You need to go heavy, and for that I will be using the Benetint by Benefit Cosmetics, and I will apply it on the apples of my cheeks, and that's how I apply it. And with my fingers I am going to blend it. Now it's time for the eyes, and for the eye makeup look today I would be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to use this shade Amber in the crease of my eyes to create soft shadows. Now I am going to fill my lids with this beautiful shade Nefertiti. I'm going to use my fingers because it gives the best payoff, and I am going to use it in the center of my eyes. It is such a gorgeous shade. Can you see I just applied one swatch? So I'm once more going in the shade Amber just to fix the crease because the glitter eyeshadow was too overpowering. And just apply a little bit again. So for the Kajal, I will be using the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl. It's my all-time favorite. Everyone knows about it. And I will be applying it on my eyes. For the eyeliner, I will be using the Sigma Gel Liner as well as the Liner Brush by Sigma. And now I'm going to create a wing. People feel that winged eyeliners are too old school and they're too overpowering, but trust me, in photo shoots they look really nice and it also gives a good eye shape to your eyes. You can see the difference here. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. It makes all the difference, guys. Please curl your lashes, especially on photo shoots. The next step is to apply mascara. Never miss mascara even if you're applying falsies, because with all the foundation the eyelashes turn white. So even if you're applying falsies, the whiteness of your real eyelashes will show. So make sure you put a really light coat of mascara. And make sure to apply mascara on your lower eyelashes because it makes your eyes look big. The next step is to apply false eyelashes. I feel that they are a must-have for a photo shoot because they make a huge difference in the photographs. I will be using the Pack 56 false eyelashes. Can you see the difference that these eyelashes made? This was the difference I was talking about. Like when I look down and when I look up. Now you know what I was saying. Always use good quality eyelashes because cheap eyelashes will look fake and good quality eyelashes will look natural. Do not ever forget to fill your eyebrows because they frame your entire face. So to fill my eyebrows, I will be using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette and I will be using the shade Dark Side. I've always used this shade. Let me show it to you. This is the shade. It looks really natural on my eyes. Alhamdulillah, I have really good eyebrows. I just need to fill them a little bit. Now it's time for a highlighter. Oh my god, highlighters make your skin look absolutely glowy on photographs. And I will be using the MAC Mineralise Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. And I will be using the fan brush to apply it on the higher points of my cheeks. You know I love highlighters so much that I use it on my cheeks as well. I know that's crazy, but it makes my cheeks shine so much and I love it. And I will be using a little bit on the center of my nose. It makes this nose look even more slim. A little bit on the forehead. Is done. My skin looks glowy. And lastly, lipstick. No makeup look is complete without a lipstick. So I will be using the Iba Halal Pure Lips Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Pure Red. It is a pure red color. Looks absolutely stunning on photographs. I know it's very overpowering in real life, but on photographs it looks so beautiful. You can choose any lipstick matching to your outfit and your makeup is done. And that's it for the video, guys. This is how you can do a complete full face of makeup for a photo shoot, especially an indoor photo shoot, and it will turn out to be amazing in the photographs. I guarantee you this. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And lastly, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.